Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn, and today I am unboxing the Spellbinders Weekender retreat kit, and I'm doing this in advance of the actual retreat weekend, but I won't actually show the unboxing until after the retreat. I just want to have this and be able to share it so that if Spellbinders does more retreats like this, hopefully this will give you a little bit of an idea for what you might be able to expect in any future retreat kits. Doesn't really guarantee anything, but I know sometimes it can be hard to kind of buy something sight unseen. So here's what we have at the top here. We've got a really nicely printed booklet, which is wonderful. There is a Facebook group to join. We've got the retreat schedule here. There's the supplies that you'll need in addition to, I suppose, what's actually in here. And it looks like it's a pretty full day. It goes from 9 a.m. until 4 p.m. on Saturday, which seems like the bulk of the time. And there's a 1 hour break in between. A little bit on Friday. That seems to be it says a retreat kickoff, so I'm not sure exactly if there's a class or anything. And then on Sunday it's a half day, so just the morning session there. Really cool. Okay, so then we've got, then we're right into each class. So there are let's see. Well, this is an actual, this looks to be the full instructions for how to assemble. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is that's a full instruction. I don't think that's homework necessarily for a class. Shine Your Own Way bonus card. Really cool. Vicky's card supplies. Yeah. Well, that's kind of cool. I wonder if this is, yeah, I wonder if these are, if you can't make it, to the retreat itself, that there's instructions written out so that you can actually, follow along. I would guess that the video instructions will be watchable on the replay, but I don't know. This is the first time. This is the first time I think Spellbinders has done a virtual retreat, so I'm not exactly sure what to expect. And so I am not exactly sure if this is each of the various different classes that we'll have, and it's kind of nice that there's like a bonus card for each from each instructor. So it seems like, you know, there's one that's going to be whatever it is they're teaching, and then some of them have a little bit of a bonus extra card that you can make. So okay, that's pretty cool. A lot of different designers. Love that you can kind of see the final make and everything. Okay, so let's look at what's in the retreat kit itself. I am surprised that there isn't like a list of what all we're getting so that we know what everything is. This is a Swedish sponge cloth. Oh, and this is so pretty. Really lovely. Look at how huge this is. This is an S7 die. I don't know if you're familiar, but the way that Spellbinders does their numbering for their dies, it's always S and then something, from 1 to 7 is so far the biggest that I've seen, and the bigger the number, the larger the die set. So look how massive this is. This is, let's see, from the this is 7 inches wide, And yeah, taller than 5. It's maybe 5. Oh wait, I'm not measuring in the right place. That's the bottom of the tires. Yeah, about 5. So this is gonna create you a 5x7, and it looks like it will create a shaped card. This line here, see how it's just the edge and that line is scored? So I think this gives you the shaped border for creating your bicycle. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's massive. But look at all the details. You've got the basket, you've got little flowers that can go in the basket. There's a little teddy bear. Oh my gosh, there's a wine glass. Oh, look at that. There's a baby bottle. This is such a weird mix of things because there's there's like a poinsettia and florals. There's baby stuff. There's wine. There's a lot of cute little things in here. Okay, that's pretty fabulous. Okay, oh cool. And oh, this is cool. Oh, neat. So it's an embroidery hoop. And so is it the full? Let's see. Yeah, I think that's cut. This is one plate, I think, that has all the little piercings, and then all the little details. So you could kind of do, I think, a faux stitch rainbow here, because that's sort of faux stitching. That's good for me, because stitching this would take forever. I do kind of love that. Okay, so this first die was made, designed by BB Cameron. This one's Nicole Spohr. Oh, this is so fun. How cool that each of the retreat designers has actually designed something special. Ooh, I like this. This is really cool. Tunnel clouds. You can create a tunnel card with these different cloud shapes. Oh, that's really awesome. I wish I had the schedule, because I can't make it to the whole thing. I've got Crafty Fun with Friends on Saturday, so I'm going to be missing a good portion of the afternoon. This one is, well, this doesn't actually say who. But that's cute. It's kind of like color blocking, paper piecing, the little scene inside the wine glass. Cute. Oh look, we have a little collectible pin. So collectible with the Weekender 2024. So it would suggest that maybe there's going to be more of these. Oh, check it out. I think this is the Splatter White, which by the time I had made up my mind that I wanted to get it, it was sold out. Oh, I'm so glad I got the retreat kit now. So I believe I saw Kim Kesty do a video saying, when you open this, don't be surprised that there's so little in it, but there's actually quite a lot in here. So really cool, because the idea is that you are meant to kind of dilute this a little bit with water in order to splatter. And hey, check it out. Ooh, a nice round brush. Oh, this is gonna be good for splatter. I'm really liking these round brushes for watercoloring. This is a number 4. I've got, let's see, what size is mine? Mine's a number 9, which I really like. Really great. This is cool. I'm not familiar with that brand, but I think I've seen it on the Spellbinders website. So really excited about that. That's awesome. Okay, I guess this is just for fun. Little drink umbrellas. Let's see, the Weekender sentiments. You're pretty amazing. My soul is fed with needle and thread. Oh, that's cool. Shake it up on your birthday. Cheers, reach for the stars. Oh, this is cute. Okay, there's like a little bit of something for each of the various different designs. So I think that's really cool. I think I'm gonna like this. This is Carissa Wiley's layered Shine Bright layering stencils. So there's 5 5 4 by 3/4 by 6 layering stencils plus 1 mask. Look at that. That's a pretty neat effect, and that's achieved just with stencils, but look at how dimensional that looks. That's gonna be a fun one. Oh, but look, there's dies. Hey, check it out. Oh, that's cool. 4 dies. So you have the word shine and bright with their bubble layer or shadow layer. Oh, cute. This is by Vicky P. So this goes with her tunnel clouds. How cute. It's got the plane. I remember there was a club kit that had a cool plane too. It was a small die of the month, I think. So that's fun. Oh, Yana. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Yana's poppy. That's beautiful. Look how big that is. That's lovely. And then we have Tropical Flare. These are little, look at the drink umbrella. So these, I am guessing some of these things obviously go together. So these will complement each other, but we just got the Tropical Club Kit in May, and look at that baby flamingo. How adorable. These, what is it? Monstera leaves? I think that's a new word that I learned on Crafty Fun. Those would kind of go. I think it's like the same size. These flowers are bigger than the ones from the club kits. So I think those two kind of go together. Then we have Nicole Spores. Oh, look at those scissors. Oh, that's so classic. That, like the crane scissors. And then you've got the spool of thread and needle. So that's really cute. And of course, I think Nicole has her, what is it called? Because she does a lot of cross stitching on her channel as well. So I think that's, floss tube. I think that's what she calls it. So I think those two go together. These two seem to go together. There was the tunnel. These two kind of go together. Lush Leaves. Ooh, a 3D embossing folder. Very cool. That's nice. That would kind of go with the whole tropical vibe, I think. And then we've got some sparkly gems. Beautiful. They have a little bit of that iridescent to them. See how, like, when you tilt it, there's different colors. And, oh, okay. Hey, stuff is already cut for us, too. Nice. Alright. This is cool. I like this. Let's see what all we've got here. Maybe I'll, do some video of, the prep work for these classes. It's funny because if you haven't, maybe I will do the prep work in advance of the retreat, and I'll oh, you know what, maybe I'll make it a members only video, and I'll release this members only as well until after the retreat. And then that way I won't spoil anything for the larger public audience, but then I can kind of have a little something for my members. And so I'm kind of excited. So I'm gonna sort this out and see what all is needed for each of the different classes, and then maybe I'll have some videos of some prep work for these various classes. Alrighty, thank you so much. I hope that this video is a little bit helpful. If you're watching this after the retreat and you were kind of curious about what all came in the retreat bundle, and maybe if you're interested and they have this again later this year or another retreat next year. Maybe this will give you an idea for what all you get. I do think that it's a pretty generous kit of supplies. It was a little bit spendy, so it's hard to make the commitment to purchase when you don't know what all you're gonna get, but I'm not disappointed at all considering how many dies came in this set. And it is mostly dies. There's one layering stencil, there's one stamp set, and one 3D embossing folder, and really the rest are dies. Now, I think I understand why they did not include better press plates and glimmer plates, because not everybody can be expected to have those machines, because you do need, the extra equipment to effectively use those, and maybe they wanted to make this accessible to more people. So I can understand that decision, though personally, because I have both of those machines, it would have been great to have seen some better press plates here, or some glimmer plates and foil. But I'm really happy with everything here. Really fabulous. If they offer this again, I think I would be inclined to give it another go. So that's the Weekender retreat kit by Spellbinders. Thanks so much for catching my video today, and until next time, happy crafting and have a fabulous day. Bye.